Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Millionaire, and in today's class, we're going to be talking about 5 simple investing strategies that successful and smart investors do and use. Whether you're a beginner investor or an experienced investor, I believe that you're going to find this video very educative and informative. As I've often said in previous classes, I am a long-term investor. I buy the stocks of companies that I believe are leading the future and are changing the world by providing solutions that are cheaper, faster, safer, and better. If you invest because you believe that a company is making the world a better place by providing solutions that are cheaper, better, faster, and safer, then you're on the right track for a successful investment journey. So now let's get right into it. Number 1, don't invest like a slot. For example, maybe you love cookies, but if you don't understand the cookies business, it's either you figure out how it works or you don't invest. Is the cookies business profitable? Are they innovators? Or are these just people that are milking an existing product? You get the point? It's important for you to understand the business that you're buying. Anytime you buy the stock of a company, you're literally buying a business. Just the same way that when you want to buy the business in your local community, you're going to go to that local shop. You're going to talk to the people. You're going to talk to the owners. You're going to talk to the workers. You're going to talk to the customers. You're going to look at the books. You're going to understand the in and out of the business so that you can understand what you're buying. The same thing with investing. When you're buying the stock of a company as a smart investor, you have to understand the business, because once you understand the business, if anything fundamentally changes about the business, you can understand and decipher the kind of decision or steps that you need to take. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, because these videos, they take a while to put together. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. Thank you. So number 3, invest consistently. Time in the market always beats time in the market, because the more time you spend in the market, the better opportunities you give your investment to grow over time. And that's because the length of time in the market is one of the best predictors of the total performance of your portfolio. All you need to do is to dollar cost average consistently, and you're gonna win. And that's because nobody can predict the stock market. Just dollar cost average. Sometimes I get questions like, Blooming, is the price of the stock too high? Is it too low? Or is it gonna go lower? What is gonna be the price tomorrow? Nobody can easily time the market. Nobody can even time the market. Just dollar cost average. And what does dollar cost average mean? It simply means setting aside some money every month and consistently buying stocks without fail. Just buy into innovative companies. Just buy into companies that are changing our world. Just buy into companies that are providing solutions that are cheaper, faster, better, and safer. We can beat the market by dollar cost averaging. It doesn't matter whether the market is at its peak or at its bottom. He who stays the course wins. Just buy into innovative companies. If you remember in our previous class, We talked about the different types of companies, the established companies, the innovative, the growing companies. We have the dying companies and the born to fail companies. As a smart investor, we have to buy innovative companies, because when we buy into innovative companies that are providing solutions to the world's biggest problem, we know that we're going to reap tremendous returns on the value of our portfolio over time. When I invest, I expect world domination. I expect that this is a product that is going to be used by a lot of people. As a smart investor, you need to see into world domination. Is this product going to be a product that a lot of people are going to use? Is this a product that provides solution to one of the biggest problems that we have in the world? Never buy into a dream without proof of concepts and the ability to scale. These are two very crucial points, especially when you're considering stocks that you want to buy and hold for long term. When you're looking at the stocks that you want to buy or that you want to put in your portfolio, you have to look at, is this company already generating revenue? Even when the company is generating revenue, is this company able to scale? Is this company able to replicate the success, not just within the local community, not just within the local state, but across multiple countries, across multiple geographies? It's very essential that when you're selecting the stocks of a company, the company has to be able to reach a wide market. Let me explain. For example, over the summer, Nikola came into the market, right? This is a company that has never even sold one truck, and yet people were putting money into a company that has not proven the concept yet, neither the ability to scale. It is very essential that when you're selecting the stock as a smart investor, it's not just about a company telling you like we have this ginormous or this gigantic or this big dream. No. For you to be smart with your money, you have to look at, is this company generating revenue, and is this company able to scale? Is this company able to reach a broader consumer base? Number 4, invest and do nothing. This is absolutely one of the hardest things. As I said before, investing is not just about numbers, it's about the mindset. And the best strategy that smart investors do is to buy solid companies and do nothing. Absolutely nothing. So whether the market goes up or down or sideways, never sell the stock of a solid companies, because when you do and the market comes back roaring, you're going to miss out of the extraordinary returns. And majority of times, a lot of investors, they fail to earn these returns because they keep moving in and out of the market, and they do this at the worst possible times. These investors, they are usually short-term smart and long-term foolish. For you to earn money in the stock market, just do nothing and earn more. Literally do nothing. Nothing. It's just like when you plant an orange seed. Leave it and let it grow and bloom. You just need to water it. You just water it, the sunshine, and that's it. The same way with investing. Once you plant the seed, you don't need to do anything. Just water it by dollar cost averaging, and over time, your investment portfolio is going to grow exponentially. It's also important to know that the amount of conviction that you have about a particular stock, it really depends on the time you spend gaining the knowledge about the stock. If you see the stock of a particular company that the future looks promising, but it has not really shown a clear path yet, you can put a teeny tiny portion of your investment into it, maybe like 1% or 2%, depending on your level of comfort, right? For example, for me, my level of conviction in Tesla is super duper high. Yes. So, and that's only because of the amount of time that I've spent digging and researching and understanding the potential disruption that Tesla is bringing into the marketplace. Tesla is a disruptor. And I'm still so dumbfounded about the so many people that still can't see what is right in front of them, because Tesla is going to dominate not just the electric vehicle space, but in other sectors: autonomous driving, insurance, energy, and also the whole transportation system as a whole. Tesla as of 2020 is a $400 billion company, but eventually this same company is going to become a $4 trillion company. And this gives you a picture, a glimpse into the incredible opportunities that you're going to give your portfolio by buying the stocks of Tesla. Number 5, sell only when the fundamentals change. Just as I often illustrate that the stock market is like a roller coaster. If you securely buckled and the roller coaster is solid, then you have nothing to panic about. The roller coaster is going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go on crazy heights and very low valleys. But if you know that you are securely buckled, then you have no reason whatsoever to panic and sell. The same thing with investing. The stock market goes up and down and sideways, but if you're investing in solid companies, then you have no reason to sell. The only time you sell is when the fundamental changes. I'm going to give you some examples. Blockbuster. Back in the days, which was like maybe 5 to 10 years ago, if you wanted to buy a DVD or if you wanted to watch a movie that just came out, you can just go to Blockbuster, rent the movie or buy the movie. But something came along that was cheaper, better, more convenient and safer, called Netflix. When Netflix came into the picture, you don't need to go through the hassle of driving all the way to Blockbuster just to pick up a DVD and then you have to return it again. No. Something fundamentally changed about the business model of Blockbuster, and that's when innovative companies like Netflix came into the picture. Understand that. For example, Barnes & Noble used to be the biggest bookstore in the US, but something came along that was cheaper, better, faster, called Amazon. If you understand what is going on, that the only time that you sell a business or the only time that you sell the stock of a company is when the fundamentals changes. Here's another example. As a smart investor, we know that over the past 100 years, we have basically been driving cars that is powered by gasoline. But with the transformation that is going on, the world wants a cleaner form of energy, and because of that, we're leaning more towards electric vehicles. As a smart investor, you're not going to put your money into traditional automotive companies because you know that over the next 5 to 10 or 15 years, they're not going to be here. They are being disrupted by the electric vehicles. Wrapping up this video, just think of it. Is this something that you can do? The answer is yes. It's a resounding yes. Investing is simple. You can achieve financial freedom. It is achievable. As we said, you just need to invest and dollar cost average by buying innovative companies consistently. The bigger the problem that the company is solving, the better the solution or the better the impact that this is going to have on our portfolio. I hope that you learned a thing or two from this video. As we've come to the end of this video, please, if you found any value whatsoever in today's class, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, a like, a share, and until then, I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye. Love you.